Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you an interesting device, very useful for your car. It's the ANCEL BR2000 Elite, a brake fluid bleeder with a smart technology behind it and with various accessories that can fit any car. If you are going to order the device, in the box you will get 4 bottles, one for each wheel, each one coming with a special hose and a chain so you can fit it on each wheel, a briefcase with 12 adapters for most of the cars, most of the models. So if you own a garage shop, it will be just great. And then you have another box which contains the device itself. The device comes with a 2 liters bottle for the new brake fluid. It has 2 hoses, and on top you get the LCD screen with the programs, with the air pressure and so on. And what's most important and most useful, you can power up the device using the 12 volts battery on your car, which makes all the operation simple, effective and fast. It's an electric 1% brake fluid exchanger that brings professional shop speed to your home garage. So most of the brake bleeders are either vacuum based, which can pull air through the thread leaks, or manual pressure tanks that require constant pumping. The BR2000 is electric. It runs on your car's 12 volts battery or a standard AC outlet. The kit includes 12 professional grade adapters, whether you're working on an European BMW, an American Ford or an Asian Toyota. There's a master cylinder cap that fits perfectly. In our case, we used it on this 1991 Toyota Land Cruiser and everything fitted perfectly. The operation is simple. First you connect to power, then you have to attach the specific adapter to your master cylinder and connect the 11-foot filing hose. Next thing you should do is set your pressure, usually between 1 and 2 bar for most of the cars, and hit start. Because it maintains a constant pressure, you can go to each wheel, crack the bleeder screw and watch the old fluid exit. No pumping, no shouting at a helper, and because the system is pressurized from the top, there is zero chance of air entering the master cylinder. This device also has some safety features. It has a low pressure shutdown and oil shortage protection. If the machine runs out of fresh fluid, it stops automatically so you don't accidentally pump air into the lines, a mistake that would normally require a full system reset. So this is the ANCEL BR2000 Elite, a kit that contains everything you need so you can replace your brake fluid by yourself without any help, without the need for a second person. If you own a garage shop, or if you just own multiple cars and you want to have the best when it comes to safety, this is the device to buy. You have the link in the video description. Go now and buy it. It's at a very good price for the Prime members, and if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.